Hello there. Well, time for another trip. Gonna go meet my aunt at the Amtrak station. We're gonna catch a bus into Stockton to then get on a train to head to Bakersfield to her daughter, my cousin's house. And we are celebrating my aunt's 80th birthday. So come along with us on this trip. We're about to have some fun. I'll tell you a little bit more about it a little later on. But time is ticking, we gotta go. Okay, y'all. I'm here at the bus station. Well, we're catching the bus, but it's the train station. And you can also catch the bus from here. Made it here. And I was sitting here and the lady said, you know, you can check your baggage for free. Which, okay, it's been years since I have rode Amtrak. And even when I did ride it, it was... Well, we were going to San Diego then too, which is where this trip, we're going to Bakersfield first, then picking my aunt and uncle up in Monrovia and then headed to San Diego. But anyway, just to speed things up a little bit, I went to check my luggage in. It was 4 pounds over. And I'm thinking, if I even take 4 pounds out, where am I going to put it? Because I didn't bring anything else to put stuff in. I have my little lunch thing here. And my backpack is full. But luckily I was like, most of the weight came from my cosmetic bag. And I don't mean makeup, not makeup bag, cosmetic bag. Because I didn't know there was a weight limit, or I'd have packed totally different. So anyway, I have all of that in this bag here. I will be carrying, that bag is heavy, but it is better than trying to carry the big suitcase. So the suitcase is checked all the way to Bakersfield. The backpack will be on my back. My little food bag here will be on my shoulder. And I'll be carrying that other bag in my hand. So I am all set now. Just waiting for my aunt to get here. And I called her, so she'll be en route shortly. And then at about 9:40, they're going to we can start boarding the bus at 9:40. So hopefully she's here by then. So we can pick seats we want to sit in. So anyway, I will pick back up with you guys either as we're boarding the bus, maybe when my aunt gets here. But we'll see. But I will pick back up with you guys. All right. Toodaloo for now. Leaving the station.
Alrighty folks, continuing our trip south. In the event of an emergency, there are 6 windows marked as emergency.
Okay, this is the front of the Amtrak station that we're going by right now next to the freeway. Okay, well, we're on our way. Here we go. Headed to Stockton where we will catch the train and take that on into Bakersfield. We had to come to Elk Grove. I don't know if we're picking someone up or dropping somebody off. I see neither action happening. No one's getting off. No one is here to get on. Guess he wasn't going. I guess they have to stop here just to see. Anyway, we are headed back to the freeway. I don't know how far into Stockton we have to go to get to their train station. But This ride was pretty quick. We're coming into where the train station is.
Get the chair for you.
Oh, excuse me. Look at her. She's just already out here. I think she forgot I'm even with her. She ain't looked for me yet. I don't know if they don't really have anywhere to sit out here. So we could sit inside, and they said just listen out. All right, so they told us the train is arriving. That's it down there. You can see those lights. You see those lights down there? Yeah, I think that's gonna be it. There's our train. San Joaquin.
They closing it up already?
Hello.
Watch your step.
Okay.
Thank you, man.
Got one with the table. Yeah, wanted one with the table. Ta-da! We got one with the little table. I'm gonna just put this up here. Hopefully it don't slide all over the place. I'll pick your bag up down there. We made it. We made it. Thank you, Jesus. Trying to get our stuff. Headphones, my iPad, a banana.
Just at that little guy right there.
Oh.
I'll show you once we get in here. Let you go in.
Oh,
So
okay.
when you're done with this one right here, it'll lock, and then when you want out, just hit it.
Pretty
and it'll
good.
get-
All right, thank
Yep,
you.
you'll hear it lock in about 4 seconds.
It's moving. This ain't working. Okay, but there we go. I guess you have to press the top. Doesn't work for the foot.
And my great big old.
Made it back to the seat. Here we go. Oh, crossing the freeway. I think that's 99 we just crossed too.
What's the last name? So you guys are good to go. Have a good
All
trip,
right.
okay?
Thank you very much. Well, he's on the trip as well. How about that? Because he's on the trip too. Hi. So we can put that away. All right. I'll sit back and enjoy this ride. I am going to get me some food to eat because I am hungry now. Say my blessing and go chow down. Watch a little movie. Matlock, SWAT, The Equalizer. All 3 of those episodes, so I can watch those. Let's start with Matlock. Matlock show is good. Forgot to put your charger.
Take a train ride just to see you. Wait for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you. 'Cause you're my home away from being alone.
All right, we're pulling into the Modesto station. There it is, Modesto. I have to say that was quick. go eat my sandwich.
Now arriving at Modesto.
I think
Thank you for riding Amtrak San Joaquin's.
Aunt's drinking her smoothie.
If you have checked your luggage, you can claim your luggage at the rear of the station.
Well, our time is had. Moving on. Not sure where the next stop is, though.
Welcome on board Amtrak San Joaquin's.
She's about to tell us.
This is train 712. This train's final destination is Bakersfield. Next stop, Turlock-Denair.
713, who is currently at the Turlock-Denair station. Running a little bit tardy there. Once again, do apologize for the delay. Once they do pass us here on the right-hand side, we'll continue on to our next scheduled station stop at Turlock-Denair. Thank you.
Run away from home, why don't you? 'Cause I did the same just for you. You don't know how much I love you. 'Cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from
That thing on me. It's all good. Alright, Mika. Call you later and I'll let you know what time we're getting. The make room?
I'm gonna get this for my aunt, just in case she can eat these later. I wish they had the M&M's
Bye-bye.
without the peanuts in them. I bet Skittles. Get some Skittles too. I don't even eat candy like this, but since they're offering it. And that's the car everybody's in. I'm glad we picked the one toward the back. Oh, looks like this is as far as we can go. 2 members only beyond this point. Hi, I'm just walking the, yeah. I guess we'll head on back. I didn't know there were so many people on this train. I didn't know if this is something you can eat, like to have for later. I don't know what all you can. Okay. What's that?
You're talking about free items that they have.
Oh yeah, it's a bunch of stuff. They announced 3, but there's a whole selection of stuff. I'm gonna go back this way and see now. I think we're at toward the end here.
I hope to make you my own.
We're moving. We're moving. I went from this train from the front to the back.
That's nice water.
That would. Anyway, I don't know if we're behind schedule, ahead of schedule. Here it is. I got it. All right. That's what was holding us up.
Oh yeah.
This train right here. The windows are up higher than ours.
Just wait.
I wonder which one that is. It's one of those temples. Just telling my aunt, I didn't realize we were waiting to use the track. I thought we were sitting there waiting for the train to move out of the station so we could move into the station. We were actually waiting for it to move, to come from Turlock and then get off our track so we could get on it. So I always see this when we're driving to Bakersfield. It's right here. I think I even have pictures of it. I'm pretty sure I have pictures.
Turlock Denair is your stop. Please gather all of your belongings and prepare to exit the train.
Have to change out the battery. Anyway, we're pulling into Turlock. Finally made it here. I'm confused about what I just seen back there. It looks like this was across the tracks. So even after we go by, the cars still can't. It's like it stopped. And Turlock is on this side.
Looking at Turlock Denair. Thank you for riding Amtrak San Joaquin's.
Oh wow, look at those planes. Wow, I came over at the perfect time. That is so neat. I didn't even know we had the United States Castle Air Museum. Okay, that was the Castle Air Museum. I have never heard of that nor seen it. Well, I just want to thank the Lord for sending me on over to this other side at that right time. Okay, I figure I better get back here because if someone did snatch any of this stuff right here, they would have had it and been gone because as you see, my aunt is knocked out. She would have been none the wiser. Stuff would have just been gone. Alright, I better stay here in my seat, or at least an eye distance of my stuff, which I was just right there. Well, right in there. But I think I'm gonna stay right here until I know she's awake, or take it with me. Nah, I'll just stay here. Let me get back to Matlock, see what's happening in this episode. I'll check in with y'all a little later. I said we could step off and stretch our legs for a little bit, so we are at the Merced. Here at Merced. Not that I need to stretch my legs, but I just want to get a shot of the train on the outside and get some fresh air out here. That's all. Oh. I take it they know him. Giving him kisses and things. I don't know how many minutes we have, so I don't want to venture off too far. I put my bags and stuff by my aunt because, as you seen, she was sleeping. Let me turn you all around here. As you seen, she was asleep, so I woke her up. I mean, I didn't wake her up. She awakened her on her own, and I took and put my things over there next to her, so if she falls asleep again, they'll have to go across her to get to them. Anyway, I'm gonna get back on this train because I don't know how much time we have, and it's making those noises, and I want to get left in Merced. Throw them back on. Figure not seen the fence between the two tracks. Yeah, I was getting ready to start talking and heard this train. I was saying I was going to just stand in the door and get fresh air. That way I'm on the train. I get a little fresh air, but I'm safely on the train. Step on this step right here. There they are down there. Can still hear that train in the background. Just going, that's a long train. Anyway, I can't stretch with just, I'm gonna need both arms to stretch, so I'm gonna need to put this down so I can get in a full stretch. So I was just thinking, what if they're not even, like, what if they aren't going back on this train and I step off and I'm standing out there and these doors close? If, you know, if I'm counting on them, like watching them, waiting for them to get back on the train, what if they're not even getting back on this train and the doors close and the train starts taking off? But I think they make an announcement, right? I'm just not taking any chances because I don't know. So I'm gonna keep my behind right here. All right, someone yelled out, load it up, and I seen them all moving, so I'm moving back in and back on.
I put water in each one, rinse it and drink it.
Oh, okay, that's allowed?
It's water.
You can have water? Okay, I'm just checking, making sure you're doing what you're supposed to on this path. Water and smoothie you can have. Okay.
That's what I say.
Oh, because this is the way you do it. This is you doing your... Okay, so you get to make the rules. And we're moving already.
Thomas, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The train, Thomas.
Thomas the train.
Oh, yes.
First time hearing that one, huh? I'm sure.
Oh.
Where are we at on time? 1:03, so still got a few hours.
Fresno.
Check out this golf course. That's a nice sight to see from the window. Pretty green grass. Folks driving along on their golf carts, getting in some golf. And then we're back to this. Fresno, I think. I don't know. I think this is it on this side. And it looks like quite a bit of people. I don't know if they all are waiting to get on this train. So I think a lot of people are getting ready to get on here.
I saw two of them.
Yeah, I got one right there. And my nosy self. Okay, most of those people are still sitting. Not that many are getting on here. Okay, all those folks weren't getting on. Most of them are still in those seats. Just the ones that were standing next to the train are actually getting on. Okay, so we still have a few more stops before we get to Bakersfield. I'm going to just kick back, watch these downloads that I've done, and every now and again I may pop in a video or two, or I might just wait till we get to Bakersfield. Either way it goes, I'm going to sit back and enjoy the rest of this trip, and I'll catch up with y'all a little later down the road. mini kebab grill. Getting some food. Some food for later. Sharing is caring. Please take one.
Mom, do you want pita bread?
I forgot that fast. Oh, is there another one of those? Sight. Oh, you can't eat that until the soup. Oh,
I could taste it. It's gonna be cold. It's gonna stay cold.
I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator, but you can taste it right now. They're different, so you have to hush your mouth. I'm not stopping her from taking.
I don't hear what she's saying. Go get a fork.
She's over there on your side, I'm going. She thought your daughter was trying to keep you from eating. She don't know about the fast that you told us to Tap my food. Is that bread? So that panini? Is that what it's supposed to look like? It's hot. Ooh, look at that there.
Okay, let's get away from the spirit. What I can't have.
Oh my goodness. I want to be comfortable. Set. Nice and comfy. Digging in.